They said, build a Harley. It'll be fun. You'll enjoy it. It's a character building experience. Just, get some parts and put it together. Yeah. Anyway. I'm up to my eyeball sockets in grease and oil and whatnot, and I don't know, I'm kind of over it. I just like it to be done already. I'm not even excited about riding it anymore. But anyway, today's journey has stopped the oil leaking before anything, and yeah, and then we're gonna move on to figuring out why the carburetor keeps flooding. Blah 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 blah. Well, if you look under the bike right here in the photo, you can see the little oil leak. Yeah, it's going to be a journey, but might as well fire it up and let you hear how it sounds. This one's for Ken Block. Okay. Rest in peace. Okay, this one's for Ken. Basket to first the Harley shop. They couldn't get it off, but I fused the nut to the inside of the basket, but it still spun. It somehow made some kind of a lip that stuck it in there. Really took an hour for this little shop, a Harley shop, to get it off, but Noah, the owner, fixed me up for $80 and got it off. But here's some pictures in the shop and a little tour that I did while I was waiting for him to fix it. Legitimate small-time custom bike builder. This guy Noah actually won Biker Build-Off back in the day with this green bike. Anyway, I got some good shots of it, and it's just sitting there as a monument, but it's really pretty cool. But here he is trying to fix my basket, and it took him an hour, but he cleaned up everything and made it look really nice. Look at the green bike, though. Oh my God! And some choppers. There's a lot of cool memorabilia and nostalgia in this shop. That's the Biker Build-Off bike, and this guy was hard at work on this frame. Really, really grassroots Harley shop. I think he even lives upstairs, and they got a big dog, and look at some of the eye candy in here. Yeah, this was, kind of a nice little detour for the day, but this bike just kept, piquing my curiosity. It had cool stickers on it, too. I thought that was funny. Yup, biker stuff.